So one thing you need to know about me is I love swag and I love merch. So when Creality reached out and said they want me to try out their new Falcon 2 Pro, the 40-watt version, I had to make some more merch. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I used the Falcon 2 Pro to laser cut some acrylic, troubleshoot some issues that I came across, as well as put some LEDs into this thing so it can really shine. So make sure you watch the whole video because you do not want to miss one bit of this build. Okay, so to make my sign, I had to get a couple of supplies. One being this 14-inch round piece of craft wood that I'm going to make the base of the sign with. Next, I went ahead and picked up some red acrylic and I picked up some white acrylic for the JustGee and the 3D logo. I've already done some tests on the white acrylic, and with a diode laser, white acrylic and clear acrylic is really hard to cut. But I made a workaround. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the logo out of some regular wood, and then I'm gonna trace it onto the acrylic and then just trim it out so I can have the white right here. The next thing I need was some LED lights. I have red and I have white LED lights, as well as a 12-volt battery pack supply doodad that you plug into the wall, and a dimmer. That way I can get it as bright as I want to. I'm gonna be soldering up these LED lights, and then I'm gonna add the acrylic frame on top of that. So hopefully this comes out well. I did a couple of tests using the laser, so let's just get to it and see what we got. All right, y'all, here's the update. So I just finished shaping out my letters. Now I laser cut them in wood first, and then I traced them on some white acrylic, and I think they came out pretty good. I did all the letters, and then I just had to shape them up with the Dremel. Now the reason why I couldn't use the laser cutter for the white is because of the color spectrum of the diode laser. It kind of just passes through clear and white acrylic. It did the red acrylic just fine, but it struggled. That's when you want to get a CO2 laser. They handle clear and white acrylic because they're on a different wavelength. They use UV wavelength. But I figured it out, we accomplished it. So I finished wiring up the UV lights to the actual board of the sign, and I attached the dimmer to it, so the lights actually work now. It took a minute, but we got it working. Next thing I have to do is actually attach the acrylic letters to the board. So to do that, I went on Thinkercad and I came up with these little spacers that I just drew. It was pretty simple shapes and then extruded them. So I have a few more that I'm gonna break off the supports. We're gonna glue those on here first, and then we're gonna attach the letters. After that, it should be smooth sailing after this. So I'll catch you guys at the end. So another build down, and I really enjoyed doing this one. This one was so much fun. I love making different swag items that feature my brand. I made this logo myself, so actually making it a sign is so much fun. When I used to stream, I used to have this OG logo in the background. I actually have it in my early videos, if you guys want to go back there and look at those videos. But having a sign just makes it feel so much more official. And I really like this one. It was so much fun to make. Thank you, Creality, so much for sending over that laser engraver so I can actually make this sign. Real quick to summarize me making this sign, it was really easy to cut the acrylic that is like opaque and really solid where you can't really see through. But once it comes through those translucent and clears, a diode laser just doesn't work quite as well. So for those, I recommend getting a CO2 laser that can actually do that. That's on that UV spectrum of lasers. I definitely have fun making this. Definitely gonna do some more in the future and more swag items too. So I have this tumbler that spins and you can do like cups and Yetis and stuff like that. I wasn't able to get to that in this video, but I will be making videos in the future using this item because I really want to show it. All these different features to me are really great if you're into like going to a crafts fair and you want to start making like wood signs for people. Just different things that will incorporate like different crafts. I think that's really cool and it's such a great feature. So if you guys really like this video and you enjoy something, please smash that thumbs up button for me, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell notification. That way you don't miss my next upload. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And if you want to watch one of my newest videos or the review of the Creality Falcon 2 Pro, go ahead and hit this video right here. Everybody have a great rest of your day. God bless you. Peace out.